My people, no be small thing o. They say that the rate of how Fulani they enter for inside Igbo land and Biafra land now, the thing is alarming. No be small thing o. Fulani don surrender ndị Igbo niile, the Biafra land everywhere. They say these people don't most they take over our bushes so. And wetin they do for there, we no know. The worst part of it is that the authorities are not going after these people. Now ESN and Biafra means now they dey after they find anybody wey talk say be IPOB. Now they find why the Fulanis in our land doing wetin they call undoable. Nobody they go after them. We go play you some videos when you hear wetin this our brother talk and decide where this thing they happen for inside Imo State. But I can't play you the video of women wey still they protest against wetin Fulani they do for their land. I'll play these two video for you to watch. I beg as they watch and message say they share and drop your own opinion.
Adam, a very quick one. Like I always say, I will continue to raise alarm. Ebe all I heard insecurity in Allah, we will continue to raise alarm. When we talk of Nde Fulani na Chinnama, when we talk of Fulani herdsmen kidnapping people in Imo State, some people are not water because Omebegi. Now, Isieke nọ na Azara Obiato Mbaitoli onwe ebe a na-akpọ ori akpụrụ along Onitsha Owerri Road. Isieke is now an abode for Fulani herdsmen. Ọhịa Isieke. Ọ na iwe onye Isieke gee m ntị o. And anụrụ m na unu mere coronation eze unu last year. Is it last year? Eze ndị Isieke Azara Obiato. Manakwa ihe mere now. Because anyị achọpụtala na ọhịa ahụ nọ between Isieke and Ejemekwuru, Fulani herdsmen akampụọla dia. December, they kidnapped 4 people. Madam no, na 33 million. Ya we gole. No, ya we gole. 4 people, 33 million. No Isieke. Between Isieke and Ejemekwuru. When we say these things, government, that is the truth. Government Imo State to make abandon Ndimo on the issue of Fulani herdsmen kidnap. Imo State government has abandoned Ndimo. That is the truth. The police is not serious. DSS is not serious. Military are not serious. Imo government are they serious. Every community when hunters association, every community when forest guard, when the vigilante, the youth to every community should man their forests. Even this government, now when you have Azara, ni hande Fulani herdsmen and the protect yourself. Communities, defend yourselves. Government when you but to can also they were rubbish press release inciting the public, inciting the people. That's the only language they know how to speak. And when language also, government now he is inciting. But protect the people, defend the people. They will not. Ndi Isieke Azara Obiato nona kansụl Mbaitoli. Unu ekwekwala ka unu dịka ndị Owerri West. Unu ekwekwala ka unu dịka ezi obodo. Unu ekwekwala ka unu dịka okuku. Unu ekwekwala ka unu dịka ihi agwa. Unu ekwekwala ka unu dịka nekede. Unu ekwekwala ka unu dịka oforola. Unu ekwekwala ka unu dịka ndekwu. Ihona ya ndị arịbatala. Information at my desk na-egosi na ndị enweme camp n'ọhịa Isieke Azara Obiato nọ na Mbaitoli LGA of Imo State. Eze ndị Isieke rise up to this occasion. Ndị Isieke ta union rise up to this occasion. Ihe m ji ekwu ya unu ụmụnne m. Ihe m ji ekwu ya unu wo. Ihe m ji ekwu ya. Rise up to this occasion. Ndị arịbatala n'Isieke. Onye nwere ntị ya nụrụ.
Yeah, this is live happening at Chimufu. Yeah.
They say if they pursue you, you go run, they go your house. But this time around, a lot of our people no know where they run go again because they are confused. As it's now right now, if you see wetin these Fulani people they do people farm, especially this time wey be say people go put something for ground so that they go harvest am. These people go carry cow enter there, chop everything. As e dey happen for southeast, na so e dey happen for other states or other communities wey near Igbo. Look at what they are also doing in Benin right now. Last time here they buy people for Benin. In Benue they buy people, but the government are not using the power they are using to fight that POB, Nnamdi Kanu and the ESN. They are not using that same power to fight these Fulanis. They are using this power to stop the people that say we want freedom, but they are not using the same power to stop the people that are buying people inside bush. My people, this thing, we don't know where to go call am, but however, una don see am as e dey be. I say ma quickly bring am for una, share the video and drop your own opinion.